So, to those of you who say you don't know how to use my signals, so my signals is using my signal is very simple. Let's say you are on your MT5. This is MT5, I think. Okay, this is a demo account MT5. You click on. Let's say this morning I sent a trade on card JPY. You search card JPY, you add it. If you are using Android, the same thing. You search it up there, you add it. Then click on the card JPY, you click on charts. You understand? So on MT5, you can click on this. You can see what's it called? You can see this is open like this. If you want to reduce your lot size, you can reduce your lot size. I don't give signals saying you should buy at this place, you should sell at this place. I used to tell you to enter immediately. That's market execution. If I tell you sell now, before I tell you I give you signal, I used to tell you that okay, we'll be selling this pair with be active. You understand? That's what I used to do. So I'll tell you we'll try to sell this pair. Make sure you are online. So if I tell you to sell now, you can, if you want to use 0.01, you can use. If you want to increase your lot size, you can increase it here. You can increase it if it's 0.05 you want, depending on how much you want to risk. So the stop loss I gave this morning was just 9 pips. It was 9 pips. So if you are using 0.05 on that trade, it will just give you loss of like 4 point something dollar, let's say $4. Then the whole price movement will have given you over $8, I think. But I gave you, the stop loss was $9 anyway, so you will sell immediately. Understand? That's when I say sell. Understand? You sell immediately. Now I don't tell you also to put stop loss. I tell you when to close. That's if price go above the area I use as for confirmation. That's when I tell you to close. I may tell you that okay, I'll be watching it, be online to close. Understand? The only time I only give stop loss, but my stop loss is very tight due to spread. I will tell you don't close yet, don't set the stop loss, because some pairs their spread is very high. You understand? So I'll just tell you don't set stop loss, just leave it, let it run. I'll tell you when to close. You understand? So that's it. This for MT5. So if you want to set stop loss, you can swipe left, you can click on this pencil icon, then you can set the stop loss you want. You understand? If I say you should put stop loss, you understand? But I don't use stop loss. I only tell you when to close. So that's for MT5. Also for MT4, if you are using MT4, you come here, you click on this plus sign, you add the pair card JPY. Then you click on the plus sign beside it. If you are using Android, you can just click on it to go. Then this is the card JPY. For this one, I don't think there's any account here. Sorry, let me quickly create a demo account. It's the same thing as MT4 anyway. Same thing as MT4, but mostly you'll be using MT5. So you just click on the pair, click on chart. If you want to click on trade, you can just click on trade. If you click on trade, it will take you there. You enter the trade, you set your stop loss. You enter the trade with the loss size you want, but I would prefer you use MT5. Understand? Prefer use MT5.